The most important questions on general knowledge. The first question: which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? Option A, Part 2, Option B, Part 3, Option C, Part 4, Option D, Part 5. The correct answer is Option B, Part 3, the fundamental rights. Next, second question: who was the president of the Constituent Assembly that drafted the Indian Constitution? Option A, B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Rajendra Prasad. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. And the correct answer is Option C, Rajendra Prasad. Next, third question. The right to education was added as a fundamental right under the which amendment? Option A, 42th Amendment. Option 4B, 44th Amendment. Option C, 86th Amendment. Option D, 73rd Amendment. The correct answer is Option C, 86th Amendment. Next, fourth question. Which river is known as the Dakshina Ganga? Option A, Krishna. Option B, Kaveri. Option C, Godavari. Option D, Mahanadi. The correct answer is Option C, Godavari. Next, fifth question. Which Indian state shares the longest border with China? Option A, Sikkim. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Himachal Pradesh. Option D, Uttarakhand. The correct answer is Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Next, sixth question. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? Option A, 1920. Option B, 1930. Option C, 1942. Option D, 1947. The correct answer is Option C, 1942. Next, seventh question. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India as of 2024? Option A, Rajiv Kumar. Option B, Sunil Arora. Option C, Shaktikant Das. Option D, S. Jaishankar. The correct answer is Option A, Rajiv Kumar. Next, eighth question. The ISRO mission Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on which part of the moon? Option A, North Pole. Option B, Equator. Option C, South Pole. Option D, Parasite. The correct answer is Option C, South Pole. Next, ninth question. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Option A, Hyderabad. Option B, Pune. Option C, Bengaluru. Option D, Chennai. And the correct answer is Option B, Option C, Bengaluru. Next, 10th question. What is the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India? Option A, 21 years. Option B, 25 years. Option C, 30 years. Option D, 35 years. And the correct answer is Option B, 25 years. Next, 11th question. Which bus connects Srinagar to Leh? Option A, Nathula. Option B, Zozila. Option C, Rohtang Pass. Option D, Sikpila. And the correct answer is Option B, Zozila. Next, 12th question. The concept of single citizenship in India is borrowed from which country? Option A, USA. Option B, Canada. Option C, Britain. Option D, Ireland. The correct answer is option C, Britain. Next, 13th question. Who is the first Viceroy of India? Option A, Lord Dalhousie. Option B, Lord Canning. Option C, Lord Mountbatten. Option D, Lord Curzon. The correct answer is option B, Lord Canning. Next, 14th question. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A, Venus. Option B, Mars. Option C, Jupiter. Option D, Saturn. And the correct answer is option B, Mars. Next, a 15th question. What is the full form of NITI Ayog? Option A, National Institute of Transforming India. Option B, National Institution for Transforming India. Option C, National Integrated Trust of India. Option D, National Initiative for Technical India. The correct answer is option B, National Institution for Transforming India. Next, 16th question. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Option A, Sardar Patel. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. And the correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, 17th question. Which fundamental right was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Option A, right to equality. Option B, right against exploitation. Option C, right to constitutional remedies. Option D, right to freedom of religion. The correct answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. Next, 18th question. The Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which Indian state? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Maharashtra. And the correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Next, 19th question. In India's first Indigo aircraft carrier is option A, INS Vikrant. Option B, INS Vikramaditya. Option C, INS Arihant. Option D, INS Virat. The correct answer is option A, INS Vikrant. Next, 20th question. What is the standard currency of the internet used to for global digital transactions? Option A, USDT. Option B, Bitcoin. Option C, Libra. Option D, Ethereum. And the correct answer is option B, Bitcoin. Next, 21 question. What is the full form of BIOS? Option A, Binary Input Output System. Option B, Basic Input Output System. Option C, Basic Interface Operating System. Option D, Binary Interface Output Software. And the correct answer is option B, Basic Input Output System. Next, 22nd question. Which unit of the CPU performs mathematical calculation? Option A, control unit. Option B, register unit. Option C, ALU. Option D, memory unit. The correct answer is option C, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Next, 23rd question. Which of the following is an example of volatile memory? Option A, ROM, option B, hard disk, option C, RAM, option D, flash drive. And the correct answer is option C, RAM. Next, 24th question. 1 gigabyte is equal to how many megabytes? Option A, 1000 MB, option B, 1024 MB, option C, 1048 MB, option D, 1200 MB. And the correct answer is option B, 1024 MB. Next, 25th question. Which operating systems is developed by Apple? Option A, Windows, option B, Linux, option C, Mac OS, option D, Android. The correct answer is option C, Mac OS. 26th question. What is the short key to undo an action in MS Word? Option A, Control Y, option B, Control Z, option C, Control U, option D, Control X. And the correct answer is option B, Control Z. Next, 27th question. In MS Excel, a formula always starts with which symbol? Option A, plus, option B, percent, option C, equal, option D, at. And the correct answer is option C, equals. Next, 28th question. Which of the following is not an application software? Option A, MS Office, option B, Adobe Photoshop, option C, Windows 10, option D, VLC Player. And the correct answer is option C, Windows 10. It is a system software. Next, 29th question. What is the full form of HTTP? Option A, Hyperlink Text Transfer Protocol. Option B, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Option C, High Text Transfer Protocol. Option D, Hypertext Total Protocol. And the correct answer is option B, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next, 30th question. A collection of 8 bits is called option A, nibble, option B, byte, option C, word, option D, kilobyte. Comment below the right answer. Follow and subscribe our channel for more information about general knowledge. Thank you.